stop using the default Windows File Explorer. Seriously. We all know the pain. You open a folder with a lot of photos and you stare at that green loading bar, waiting and waiting. Or you try to search for a file and it takes forever to find anything. It's slow, it's clunky, and honestly, it hasn't really changed in decades. But I found a replacement that is faster than your thoughts. It's called File Pilot, and get this, the whole installer is only 2 megabytes. There is no bloatware, no heavy installation, just pure engineered speed. Let me show you why this tool is going to replace your file manager forever. First, let's talk about the interface. When you launch it, you immediately notice something different. It's built for speed. You have this dual panel layout by default. If you are still opening 2 separate windows to copy files from one folder to another, stop doing that. With File Pilot, you just open your source folder on the left, your destination on the right, and simply drag and drop. It feels incredibly smooth. And it's not just 2 panels. You can add tabs, just like a web browser. You can have 10 different folders open in one window and switch between them instantly. It keeps your workspace clean and organized. But the real reason you should switch is the search. Windows search is, well, terrible. But File Pilot uses something called fuzzy search. What does that mean? It means you can be lazy. Let's say I'm looking for a file deep inside a project folder called invoice_october.pdf. I don't need to click through 5 different folders. I just type inv oct and look at that. It finds it immediately. It flattens the folder hierarchy. It looks through your entire drive in milliseconds. Now this next feature is my favorite. It's called the inspector. Usually, if you want to see what's inside a text file, a code script, or check an image, you have to double click and wait for an app to open. Not here. On the right side, you have the inspector panel. Just click a file once and boom, you get an instant preview. You can read code, view high-res images, or even check hex data without leaving the file manager. This saves so much time if you are a creator or a developer going through assets. If you use tools like VS Code or Spotlight on Mac, you will feel right at home with the command palette. You don't need to hunt through menus to find settings. Just press the hotkey, type what you want to do, like toggle hidden files or change layout, and hit enter. Everything in this app is designed to be used with a keyboard. Once you get used to the shortcuts, you will fly through your file system without even touching the mouse. And finally, a feature that saves me hours, batch renaming. Let's say you have 50 photos from a trip, all named img_random_number. Select them all, open the rename tool, and watch this. You can interactively change the name to Japan_trip, add a counter, add the date, and you see the result before you apply it. Click rename, and 50 files are updated instantly. Look, File Pilot is currently in beta, and it's completely free to try. It's lightweight, it's modern, and it solves the biggest problem with Windows: speed. Go to filepilot.tech, download that 2 megabyte file, and give it a try. Trust me, you won't want to go back to the default Explorer. Link is in the description below. If you want more tools that actually respect your time, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.